House Brand presents Top 10 News Headlines. Now, introducing ready-to-eat meals. House Brand curry powder and spices.
The district administration of UP State Muzaffarnagar has announced a relaxation of 4 hours in the curfew. Army patrolled the trouble areas in Muzaffarnagar, Shamli and Meerut. To check the tide of communal tension, local officials have banned public meetings. The death toll in the trouble-hit Muzaffarnagar district rose to 48. 86 days after ravaging floods in the Kedar Valley, prayers resumed at the Himalayan shrine, reverberated with the collective recitals of Vedic hymns and blowing of conch shells. A meeting is scheduled to be held on September 30th to decide the date for resumption of Yatra to the famed Himalayan temple. Congress President Sonia Gandhi, who had gone abroad for a routine medical checkup, returned home today. Sonia Gandhi was accompanied by daughter Priyanka. 66-year-old Gandhi, who had undergone a surgery in the US for an undisclosed ailment on August 5 last year, had flown there for a checkup in February and again on September 2nd last year. Apple Inc. introduced two new phones, the iPhone 5s and the iPhone 5C, that comes in 5 colors and starts at $99 with a contract. Priced to bring one of the industry's costliest smartphones within reach of the masses in poor emerging markets. The world's most valuable technology company is trying to beat back rivals in markets like India and China, where it is quickly losing ground. RBI said that banks can raise funds overseas above 50% of the Tier I capital with a minimum maturity of 3 years and swap these borrowings with the central bank at a concessional rate for 1 to 3 years. RBI added that banks are free to borrow in any foreign currency, but the swaps will be available only for conversion of the US dollar equivalent into rupees and will be computed at relevant cross rates on that day. 2 Russian cosmonauts and a US astronaut landed safely after a 166-day mission in the International Space Station. Crew members left the International Space Station on Tuesday, leaving a skeleton crew to maintain the outpost until replacements arrive later this month. The space station has been continuously staffed by rotating crews of astronauts and cosmonauts since November 2000. President Obama will pursue diplomatic efforts to remove Syria's chemical weapons, but has ordered the US military to be in position to respond if such measures fail. In a televised address, he said he had asked Congress to postpone a vote authorizing the use of force. Russia has proposed such weapons be placed under international control, although Syrian officials have agreed in principle. U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry said that the United States is expecting to receive ideas to secure Syria's chemical weapons from Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov. He added that the President Barack Obama has said that if all the chemical weapons are secured by this method, that it would be preferable and a significant achievement. Kerry said the U.S. has drawn a bright line between the moderate opposition. The International Cricket Council believes South Africa and India will complete the itinerary for the latter's tour next season, as announced by Cricket South Africa. BCCI committing the Indian team to engagements that would reduce their time playing in South Africa from 60 days to 43 days. CSA's board directors are satisfied that emails between CSA and the BCCI prove that agreement on the fixtures have been reached. Punjab and Haryana High Court on Tuesday stayed the release of movie Grand Masti in the states of Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh after hearing a petition that movie has vulgar language and dialogues. The petitioner in the case alleged that the trailers of the movie on the internet is against public policy and spirit of the Cinematograph Act 1952. The star cast of the movie is Vivek Oberoi, Ritesh Deshmukh, Aftab Shivdasani and among others.
House Brand presents Top 10 News Headlines. Extra long grain superior basmati rice, specially mixed atta flour, superior grade beans and lentils. Now introducing ready to eat meals. House Brand curry powder and spices.